Could XRP rally and go up 63,400% to $438 per XRP? We all know that XRP right now is trading at 69 cents. That's where we're at right now. So 63,400 plus percent would take us to XRP going to $438. Now, here's what's interesting. This is not a hypey video. This is not me saying that this is going to happen. There's actually some historical data that points to this as a possibility. Yes, there is. Okay. Beyond that, it's based and rooted in technical analysis. So it's not just some arbitrary, this thing might happen. It's based off of historical data looking back at 2017, 2018 time frames and off of what XRP TA was looking at and saying is a possibility. So let's get into this. As always, thanks for your support. Hit that like button below. It's free to do that. Please hit that like button below. Tell the algorithm that we are here. Okay. So basically we're talking about XRP patterns regarding the MACD, the moving average. Okay. And it's on a monthly time frame. Okay. So continuing to look down here. So this renowned chartist and analyst JD right here, this is his Twitter account, has revealed insightful data regarding XRP's price movement, indicating a potentially bullish scenario for the asset. He looked at historical charts and observed key indicators like MACD and ADX crosses, which have historically preceded massive price rallies. Okay, so he's doing this, and then he's showing kind of these charting analysis, and we're going all the way out to 2025, things like that. But looking at last time after confirmation, 17x to 3,634x in price within a year potentially. Okay, continuing to look forward down here. So it kind of gets right here, and I'm not going to read this. If you want to pause the video, you can kind of read this. Okay, what these indicators are. Okay, kind of want to keep the video kind of moving, get you in and out of less than 4 minutes, and just kind of looking at the time frames here. So he says, based on historical data for these three indicators, or these two indicators, he recalled that after similar confirmations, XRP's price experienced impressive gains ranging from 12x to 634x a year. The point here is that this has done this before. That's a historical analysis scenario. We have a history precedent. We have a historical precedent here. Okay. So this happened from 2013 to 2017. Okay. But look at this. That's when it surged to an all-time high of $3.31. And if it were to do the exact same thing again, we would see a price action of $438. What do you think? This one's interesting to me. I always like to cut these in half, or in this case, by a third. I mean, or down to a third of it. I mean, if we could see, up until now, I do a lot of XRP videos, and people are talking about, XRP to $25, within a certain amount of time. But this one's an interesting take, because it's looking at chart patterns, going back and looking at historical patterns that have been set, that are precedents, which is very, very powerful. What are your thoughts? This one's kind of got me kind of going, this one would be interesting to see. And even if it only does 25% of that, you're still looking at $100 approximately, or more, for the price. What do you think? This is kind of got me scratching my head a little bit. I do a lot of these videos. Sorry, that's my daily vitamin. This one's gonna have me thinking for a while. I'm gonna keep this article and come back to this one and talk and kind of keep this one as a reference point. Go make some money. I'll see you.